What's going on, guys? It's your man Ed Hayes here, back for another video, and in this one I want to put you all on to some brand new updates going on inside of InvestorLift. Y'all know that we rock with InvestorLift super heavy, guys. We love it. We've been out here using it for quite some time now, so I just want to get right on into it. Let's not waste any time. As y'all see, man, we've been leveraging the hell out of this system. We've sent out 292,000 emails since May 1st, right? This system allows you to do that, allows you to be able to mass blast the community. But that's not what we're here to talk about. There's some new features that I want to talk about, including texting. It's back, rocking and rolling in InvestorLift now. They've got this new mode called Artemis Mode that gives you a lot of knowledge and insight on what's going on in a particular market and some other stuff as well. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right on into it. All right, guys. So as y'all can see right here on the left-hand side, messages are available now. Now you can actually get inside of here and start messaging buyers, messaging them right here inside of the system, having an entire conversation with these people. Now they've made the process significantly easier. It actually works. Basically, we set up with our own personal Twilio account. Let me see if I can show you. But yeah, we set up our own Twilio account. We put everything inside of here, and now we can go ahead and message people, and we can have two-way conversations right here inside of InvestorLift. Guys, it has been an absolute game changer since we got the text messages back rocking and rolling. When I first, like earlier this year, text messaging was available, and then it kind of went away. So now when you're actually in the text message section, or let's say, for instance, if I want to send out notifications for a property, now I can not only send out emails, but I can also send text message notifications as well. And the text messages have been going crazy. A lot of people respond back. We get a lot of traction. We get a lot more things moving when we send out that text message versus just sending out an email. So if you do have InvestorLift, maybe you haven't used it in a while, hop back inside of there, guys. Start leveraging these text messages, the MMS messages that you can send out. They're going to have the link to the property on it as well. And it is like, I want to say like 5 or 10 cents per text or something like that. It's not like crazy expensive, or maybe it just goes through Twilio, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not 100% sure about that. I'll check on that. But either way, just having the ability to text inside of here has been an absolute game changer. Now, outside of the messages inside of the system, we actually have this new feature called Artemis Mode. You'll see it up here on the top right-hand side. So they have God mode over here as well, which I've spoken about on several previous videos talking about InvestorLift. But now this Artemis mode is something brand new. So now Artemis mode is actually going to give you a lot more insight into the market. So not only do you see the immediate people that's actually interested in the property, you don't see just the immediate people that's clicking on your property. Like, you'll see my buyers, like it says up here at the top. You'll see my buyers. These are the people that actually looked at our property. However, and it shows you like their action score, meaning how many images did they view, how much time did they spend on the property, and things of that nature. It's really nice. But now they also have this neighbor buyers tab. This is an absolute game changer. Honestly, it almost feels like we're cheating. They're just making it too easy out here to get in contact with people that are serious about buying in this particular market. So as you all can see right here, it shows all of the properties that these people have purchased near our subject property. And it shows like what their action score is. And this is on other people's property. So it'll show you like, hey, when you click on this property, it's going to show you all of the hot buyers for that property. Click on this one, it's going to show me all the hot buyers for that property. It's going to show me all the hot buyers for this one, so on and so forth. So instead of just seeing the hot buyers for your property, you're seeing all of the hot buyers for the entire area around your property. So there's other people, other wholesalers on InvestorLift trying to sell their properties too. When they post their properties up there, you're going to get access to everybody that's looking into their deals at the same time. It's a really nice concept. Also, another feature that's going to be coming to InvestorLift really soon is this new AI automation that they're going to have inside of there that's going to connect you with buyers, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm reading a post from Robert Winsley, and I'll probably have it on the screen as well. But it says, this year, InvestorLift will be doing a massive push to AI enable every company in our community. Today, Gene Naran and our team of world-class data scientists completed InvestorLift's first AI. Our first algorithm predicts which companies will fail and which will succeed on InvestorLift with 82% accuracy. That's nuts. It's designed to help us diagnose each company and see what top companies are doing to crush versus what others are doing that's causing their business to fail. In the coming months, you'll start to receive in-app notifications and emails directing you to take actions that'll improve your chances of success. Follow those suggestions, and I can promise you'll see your profits rising as a result. This is day one of our enablement. This is day one of our AI enablement. We have 4 more AI algorithms in the works that'll be launching soon. Guys, this is very, very, very exciting stuff. Y'all know that AI has been going crazy out here in general, but being able to leverage it for buyers and being able to see like which companies are going to fail, which are going to succeed. I've spoken with Robert and John. Salute to you guys. And they've told me that they're actually launching something that's going to be like predicting with high accuracy which buyers are the most likely to buy your deals as well. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to tell y'all that. If I'm not supposed to say that, InvestorLift, just reach out to me. I'm sorry, but it's just hot and spicy news right there, guys. They are coming up with so much stuff to be able to really transform InvestorLift to the next level, guys. I'm super, super pumped about this stuff. As y'all can see, man, we've been leveraging InvestorLift very, very heavily. Just over the past 2, 3, 4 months, we've been going insane with it. But also, guys, if y'all want to check out InvestorLift for yourself, treat yourself, don't cheat yourself. Use the code Wholesale Coach VIP to take 10% off your order. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your other partners that you're working with. Take advantage of that 10% off by leveraging code Wholesale Coach VIP while you're at checkout on InvestorLift. Also, as always, guys, we are totally down to help you close your deals as well. Shout out to Elijah, Jacob, Lionel. We've had so many people shooting us over deals over the past few months. I do appreciate you all. Looking forward to close a lot more deals with the wholesale community. If y'all want us to pop your deal on InvestorLift and other similar sites where we use to push out our deals, send them our way. Go over to, you could use the link down below, submit the form. After you submit the form, one of our acquisition specialists will be reaching out to you, and then we'll either give you an approval or denial, and then we'll go ahead and pop the property onto InvestorLift so you can have it out there. You can get as many eyes as possible. There's millions of buyers nationwide on InvestorLift, and guys, we're leveraging it. It works. We're on one of the highest levels of the software. Some other people may have the software, but they are not on that highest level. They don't have access to millions of buyers like we do. So feel free, submit your deal down below using the form down below. Let's break some bread together. But tell me, guys, what do y'all think about InvestorLift? Have you used it yet? If so, drop me a comment down below and let me know what your InvestorLift experience has been. Let's have a conversation about it in the comment box down below. But what do y'all think about the texting? What do y'all think about that Artemis mode? I think that's like the dopest thing ever, where you can really kind of get an overhead aerial view of an entire market and see which properties are getting the most interest. You could probably even leverage something like that just to see, okay, these types of properties tend to get the most views. These types of properties tend to get the most offers, things like that. And you can really kind of hone in on your marketing approach to get the best leads possible for your buyers. Anyway, though, guys, I ain't trying to hold y'all up, man. I hope that y'all staying healthy and staying blessed as always. Like I said, make sure that y'all use code Wholesale Coach VIP to get 10% off your order when you head over to InvestorLift. And until next time, guys, we are out.